Imagine your production line halting unexpectedly. Unplanned downtime and frequent equipment failures are not just inconvenient, they're costly. These disruptions can lead to significant financial losses and impact overall productivity. Beyond financial losses, poor maintenance practices can jeopardize safety and compliance. Equipment failures increase the risk of accidents, potentially leading to costly legal issues and damage to your company's reputation. To convince management, frame your arguments in terms of financial impact. Highlight how a CMS can reduce costs by minimizing downtime and improving resource allocation. Gather hard data on current maintenance operations. Translate technical issues into business costs, emphasizing how reactive maintenance leads to higher expenses and asset degradation. Use industry benchmarks to highlight typical gains from CMMS implementation. Share success stories from similar companies that have achieved measurable improvements. Demonstrate the competitive advantage of using a CMMS. Companies already using it may be gaining operational efficiencies and cost advantages, leaving others at risk of falling behind. Present a clear ROI estimate for CMMS investment. Explain how a CMS delivers savings through preventive maintenance, shifting the discussion from technical expense to strategic investment. Involve key stakeholders early in the process. Define clear objectives, prepare a budget, and outline a timeline to ensure a focused and realistic implementation plan. Highlight expected benefits and summarize the value for the company. A well-crafted proposal should clearly outline the advantages of CMS, making it easier for management to see its worth. By involving stakeholders and defining objectives, you create a roadmap for success. This approach ensures everyone is aligned and committed to achieving the desired outcomes. ManWinWin centralizes maintenance data and streamlines planning. It offers support during implementation and training, ensuring fast adoption and continuous improvement. Choosing ManWinWin means investing in a strategic asset for business success. Join the global maintenance movement and elevate your operations with the world's most experienced CMS provider.